Okay, let's connect the Rythflo Wireless Lavalier Mic. All right, so we have the mic by itself, and then we also have the connection. So it's very simple. We're just gonna connect it right there. All right, so all we need to do now is just turn on our iPad, and then there's no drivers needed whatsoever. It'll detect it right away. Okay, so once you have it connected, you're gonna turn on the mic, which has a power button right there on the side. So let's turn it on. You're gonna hold it and see the lights are coming on right there. That means it's ready to be picked up by the receiver, and it's represented by the lights. So as you can see, depending on which one you connect, so this will be TX1. All right, so let's record a little something, and we're just gonna turn on our camera app, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna record a little audio with the iPad, and I'm gonna put the video right here. So let's record a little something. Okay, we have connected the Rythflo Lavalier mic, the wireless lavalier mic. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and it's being picked up by the iPad. And further I pull away from it, you're gonna be able to hear my voice. So we're recording it, and it should be audio check 1, 2, 3. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the iPad down a little further, and then we're gonna see what it sounds like from a distance. So let's do that right now. So I'm now walking quite a distance away, about maybe 6 or 7 feet. Audio check 1, 2, 3. You should be able to hear my voice just fine. Audio check 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go back, and the next audio, we're just going to see what it sounds like with just the mics from the iPad itself. All right, so that was the sound of the Rythflo connected to the iPad. Right now we are recording with the mics from the iPad themselves. It's an audio example. We're gonna do this one first just to see what it sounds like. Audio check 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna take this to a distance to see exactly how it sounds when we connect our lavalier mic. So let's go to it. We're setting the iPad down, and we're gonna walk away from it. Audio check 1, 2, 3. We should be by hearing my voice from a distance. Audio check 1, 2, 3. This is what it sounds like from the mics on the iPad. So it's picking up all the sound. Let's do the wireless lavalier mic and see and hear what that sounds like.